actually learned in the restaurants. I think a lot of people don't really know it when they kind of get to like some of the collards or the kales, these things with very fibrous kind of stems. You know, you can eat these, but they're very tough. You would have to cook them down for a long time. This will cut down that time tremendously. And if you just go with the natural curvature of the kale and just kind of rip it off. Get that. Try to make sure we grab all that kale. We don't want to leave too much of it. Make sure we get everything that we can get. That's a nice little trick for you. Just like really just grab it from the bottom, pull that first one, and then you just literally just slide up. It comes out nice. It's good to notice that when you, especially when you eat this raw, you want to kind of just like wilt it down, and it seems a little bit weird to bruise your vegetable because that's essentially what you're doing, but you're breaking down some of those cell walls. Kale is very tough, so it can get hard to eat. So just kind of getting it ready, kind of squeezing it up a little bit, and this is just going to help that process so you don't want to miss a step during prep.